Hello, students of class 7. The same poem, The Charge of the Light Brigade, that we had studied. It is the attack of the 600 cavalry soldiers of the Light Brigade due to a wrong order by a British officer. And we read the first stanza, and there we knew how that in a 1.5 kilometer way, 1.5 kilometer at a time, they moved up to that place where the Russian army was there, and they attacked the Russian army, and the order was to attack the gunners there. So they, following the order, had attacked that Russian army. Now forward the Light Brigade. Was there a man dismayed? Not though the soldier knew someone had blundered. Now forward the Light Brigade, this is the order. Was there a man dismayed who did not obey that order? Was there a man? In fact, not though the soldier knew. The soldier knew someone had blundered. Someone had made a mistake. The soldiers knew. Even then, they did not actually. They showed respect to that order and obeyed that order. Then there's not to make reply. What this is all about army discipline. There's not to make reply. They cannot make a reply. There's not to reason why. They cannot ask why an order is given. There's but to do and die. The only thing they can do is to do or die. Into the valley of death. Now into that valley of death, that is the place where the two armies met. Into the valley of death they rode the 600. Now this is the site of the Light Brigade soldiers going ahead to attack that Russian army. Cannon to the right of them, cannon to the left of them, cannon from which shots are तोप जिसको बोलते हैं. Cannon means तोप. तोप you have seen in the Hindi movies maybe or elsewhere. Cannon to the right of them, cannons were there. Cannon to the left of them, cannon in front of them. Now they are going ahead, so the cannons were in front of them. Volleyed and thundered, they made roaring sounds, stormed that with shot and shell, with bullets and bombs they were stormed at. Boldly they rode well. They rode courageously and very nicely into the jaws of death, where they went into the jaws of death. Here, death is personified as having these jaws of death, into the mouth of hell. Now, through the jaws of death, jaws of death, they entered into the mouth of hell. That who rode the 600. So, through the jaws of death into the mouth of hell rode the 600. They on horseback reached that place of battle, and that was and it is symbolized as that waiting there for these 600 soldiers, and they went through the jaws into the mouth of hell. So this much for today. In the next class we will be dealing with the rest of the stanzas. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.